Good morning, dear children. Sai Ram. Welcome back in our composition session. So, children, I know you all must have enjoyed Diwali vacation, and I know you all are very excited to learn today. So, children, now I am going to show you a picture. Okay, and I am going to ask you some questions. So, you all be ready. Now look at this picture, children, and tell me what are the things you all can see on the screen. Yes, you all are very clever. Yes, diyas you all can see. Children are yes, burning crackers. Yes, and the houses are decorated. Yes, very good. So children, do you know when do we all do all these things? Yes, just now our this festival is over. When you had holidays. Can you all tell me the name of this festival? Yes, who is going to tell me the correct answer? Very good. Very good, children. This is a festival of lights. Festival of Diwali. Very good. So children, today we are going to learn how to write composition on the topic Diwali. As you all have enjoyed vacation so much and so many things you all must have done in the vacation, we are going to discuss everything today. So are you ready, children? Okay. Now look at this picture, children. Do you know which Lord picture is this? Yes, Lord Sri Ram. Do you know why I am showing you this picture? Can anybody answer me? Children, when Lord Rama returned back to Ayodhya after his 14 years of exile in Ayodhya, all people were so happy and they all celebrated Diwali. Their happiness, they decorated their houses with flowers and lights and diyas. So we also celebrate Diwali in the memory of Lord Rama, because the day Rama returned back to Ayodhya, people were so happy and they celebrated that day. So we also celebrate Diwali in the memory of Lord Sri Ram. So this is one of the reasons, children, you all should know why do we celebrate Diwali. See, children, this is a picture of Ayodhya. Ayodhya is a birthplace of Lord Sri Rama. And children, here you can see how beautifully all people are enjoying. Okay, children, now see what you all can see here. Yes, we can see diyas. What do we do in the Diwali, children? Yes, we light diyas outside our house and inside also in the house. Children, do you all know for how many days do we celebrate Diwali? Yes, for 5 days. And because we light candles and diyas in this festival. So we call Diwali is a festival of lights. It is a biggest and the famous festival of Hindus. Not only Hindus but all religious people celebrate Diwali in India with great happiness. Here is a picture of, yes, people clean their house, decorate their house with flowers, and here what you all can see, children? Yes, here we can see the pictures of rangolis. Yes, have you seen rangolis, children? Yes, your mother, she must be decorating your house with rangoli. Yes, we see in Diwali mostly people put rangoli outside their door. They make houses beautiful by rangolis. And we also, yes, here we can see pictures of lanterns. We also put lantern outside our house. Children, I asked you one question that as you all know, we celebrate Diwali for 5 days. Okay. Do you know which is the first day of Diwali? The first day of Diwali is Dhanatrayodasi. Dhanatrayodasi is the first day of Diwali. On that day, mostly people worship God. People do puja of gold and money. That's why it is called as Dhanatrayodasi. Okay, children? And can you see this picture? We can see Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. So this is the most important day in Diwali we celebrate. It is called as Lakshmi Puja, Lakshmi Pujan. On this day we do Lakshmi Pujan. We worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. Yes, we make different types of sweets. We offer flowers and fruits and so many other things to the Goddess Lakshmi. Okay, and we do puja in the evening. You all must have seen in your house, children. So, which day is this? Yes, this is the third day of Diwali. That is Lakshmi Pujan. Now children, see here. After puja, what do? Yes, we burn crackers and we enjoy. We meet our friends. We go to our relatives. We give them sweets. And we wish each other Happy Diwali. So it is a festival of happiness. Children, you all can see in the picture. Do you all love to burn crackers? Yes, we all enjoy burning crackers in Diwali. I know you all must have burnt crackers. Are you children? But children, you should handle crackers very safely. Now children, see, you can see in this picture how people are enjoying burning crackers and celebrating their happiness. Now here, this is one more important day which we celebrate in Diwali. Yes, looking at this picture, what do you understand, children? Tell me. Yes, here we can see a sister and a brother. This is a beautiful bond between brother and sister. A beautiful day in their life that is called Bhai Dooj. In this festival, on the 5th day, mostly on the 5th day of Diwali, we celebrate Bhai Dooj. On this day, sisters and brothers, they meet each other, and brother gives gifts to they offer sweets, and they exchange gifts. Okay, children? So this is one of the important day of Diwali. Okay, children? See, you can see in this picture how the houses are decorated with flowers and diyas. See, here also we can see the houses are decorated with flowers and diyas, and we can also see many gifts are there which we give in Diwali. We give in this festival to our friends, to our relatives. Your mother, father also, they must have given you some gifts, new clothes. Okay, so we all feel very happy. So this festival brings lots of happiness in our life. So we can see all around us people celebrating Diwali with great happiness. Now, children, we are going to write composition about Diwali. So we have discussed about Diwali, how do we celebrate and how we celebrate and what are the things we do in the Diwali festival. Do you all know, children, that Diwali is also known as Deepavali because we light diyas in this festival. So Diwali is also called as Deepavali. Okay, children, I hope you all must have understood. And just now Diwali is over, so you all know everything about Diwali. So, children, in the next period of composition, we are going to write in our notebook composition Diwali. Okay, children, thank you so much.